Today we'll be making creamy tomato pasta. So let's get started. First you boil 1.5 cups of water, and you can even go up till 2 cups depending on the size of your vessel. You just don't want that pasta sticking. After it's done boiling and you see bubbles, put in 1 cup of pasta. Then I put some chili powder and some pepper, and in theory that's supposed to impermeate the pasta just like the water does and flavor the pasta from the inside. After the pasta is soft, drain and save the pasta water. After that, I cut 1 tomato with this really cool cutting machine that you can see. I just have to push and you can see the results are really nice. Beautiful. After that, get a pan and put it over medium heat and put some butter so nothing gets stuck to the bottom of the pan. Then put the pasta in and stir slightly. And put your beautifully diced tomatoes in the pan. As always, mix well. I put 2 slices of Kobe Jack cheese, but you can pick any cheese you want, however you like it. Immediately after, I put 1/4 cup of milk. And then 1/4 cup of the pasta water we saved. Just like always, I mixed well. After doing that, I put a lid on the pan and waited for 2 to 3 minutes. Season our pasta, and this could be according to your taste. I seasoned the pasta with salt and some chili pepper. And there you have it. This is our creamy tomato pasta. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.